welcome back. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna be taking out my faux locks. I figured might as well do this on camera. So this will be kind of a quick tutorial. I don't think I've ever worn my glasses on camera, y'all. They are so thick. Wow. Alright, so just to jump right into this, if I did have any like jewelry in the hair, of course I'm gonna just start taking it off. So literally just take that off, throwing this like right on the floor. So I don't have a bag or anything. And then as far as like this wire material, I'm literally just gonna unloop it or unwrap it. Okay, there that is. And if you want to reuse it, like, you totally can. This is just wire, but I mean, it was like $2 at Walmart, so no big deal. Alright, so these are what the locks look like to me. I mean, technically I could leave them in longer, but y'all know how I do. I change my hair all the time, so I'm definitely going to take them out. But yeah, I mean, I definitely could leave them in longer, but I'm not going to, just because it's just a lot. I have other reviews to do, so yeah. Alright, so on to this. I'm going to go ahead. I mean, some of them I can literally just pull and kind of tug at to kind of unwrap them for the braid. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Which obviously I could totally just like cut this, but I'm literally just gonna unwrap it, which as you can see, really easy. And then when it gets down to the knotted area for where I like attach the crochet, I'm literally just like gonna take out the braid and then slide my hair out of it. So I mean, I pretty much know where my hair is on these braids, so if you're scared about cutting your hair, I don't recommend maybe doing what I'm about to do, which is actually cutting the braid itself. Which, I mean, I know my hair is not like down here, so. Literally, braid slides out, my hair is here just fine. And same thing with the crochet area, just literally slide it out. So So I have all the braids, so box braids and locks out of my hair. My hair is like really dirty. It is still really soft because I did of course moisturize with coconut oil originally, and then of course I used those 2 edge controls, so it's really moisturized. I mean, it doesn't feel like really tough or anything like that, but I am so excited to actually wash my hair. I literally wash my hair like once a week, so this was very tough. I think I had the styles in for maybe a total of maybe 2 weeks. I think maybe 2.5 weeks max, but yeah, it was really fun. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and wash, condition, and pretty much silk press my hair and do a really good trim, and yeah, we're all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed those tutorials. There'll be more to come. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I know I look crazy but I love you so much. Stay pretty, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.